Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we're going to take all the broken pieces in the car apart. It will be fun. It will look definitely horrible, but it will be fun. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to just start and removing the spare tire, putting it back inside, and try to remove, or at least figure out how to remove the fender. That's the plan for today at least. And maybe I'll remove the panel, because I already have airbag inside, and I'll stick it in there because I don't really like all those lights on the dashboard, and if I can take one of them out, I'll be a win. So that's the plan for today. Another thing I wanted to do is go under the engine, actually on top of the engine, and see what is going on here. I do not see anything bad. I got out the air filter. It's a bit dirty but it looks new, so I'll go back in it, and that is the whole engine. It's right here on top of, or below the top. This is where you put the hydraulic oil. Interesting. It says Porsche. It's so cool. Okay, let's move to the promise inside the front of the car. Okay, I'm doing the bumper first. So I almost got the bumper out. The only thing that left is the screwdriver, which is being scratched to its base almost. Not sure. Let me get the light first. So, I guess. Well, okay. I hope you can see it. So this is the screwdriver, the screw that I have left, and it's been just scratched flat. And it's a Phillips and I cannot get to it. Well, I hope I can get it from the top maybe somehow, or I can just use the angle grinder and cut it to make it flat instead of a Phillips. So that'll be the idea. Let's hope it works. Moment of truth, and voila. So, I have not been able to remove the tire because the jack point is right here, and I have this thing standing on it, so I will figure that out. Meanwhile, I found this that the pin for the cooler have been moved, because this is where it's supposed to be. I hope you see it. Yeah, this is where it's supposed to be, this is where it is. So I need to remove it and put it back in. And I assume on this side it's supposed to be like that as well, but I see that over here it's broken and here it's just out of its place. But I think if I bend this thing down, I'll be able to move it out and then put it on back in its place. So I'll try to do that, and I am also trying to figure out how to remove this thing because it's stuck. I cannot take it out. And to take it out, I assume I need to take the wheel out, so I have to figure this thing. But the bumper is out, and most of this area is also cleaned and ready to be removed. And this thing should be ready to come out. Okay, so here is the update. Sorry for the strange angle, but that place right here, it's cracked and the coolant is leaking from that place. So what I'm doing is taking this, draining the coolant and removing this piece. I need to have a new radiator. And the other thing is right there. I hope you can see it. The bolt on the top, that's the one I need to remove in order to take the whole fender out. And the other bolts were right here. There's 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. And to access them, those two holes hold these 2 pins for the coolant reservoir. And here it is resting on the brakes. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is what it does. And this whole bracket is bent beyond repair, so I'm going to take it apart and throw it away. That's going to be the plan, and get a new one. I hope I'll be able to find it easy and not expensive. Whew. So that's the idea, and also the plan not to break any of those cables. The rest is hooked up to the body, so I am not worried about that. So should be fun. Let's go. Alright, finally I have unscrewed all of the bolts. This should come out right now. And it's all just, that doesn't work. Not easy. Okay. I hope this is the moment. Oh, I missed one. Just one piece behind. Okay. This is the sucker. Whew. Yeehaw! Okay, now as you can see, I have this thing out. That piece was bent. The answer is good. This piece is good. All I need is a new radiator and this piece for the... what is it called? I don't even know. I'm tired. I'm calling it a day. But there was a big job. And I did it. I'm glad that I did it. Probably a mess. But now I'm going to go and take pictures with my Subaru because that thing is going for sale. And I will make a video about it when I'm going to take pictures. I hope I will have time. So this is it. Stay tuned for more because this thing is gonna be awesome. This is my first Porsche and I will be enjoying it as much as I can. So, thank you for watching. Put a like if you like the video, subscribe for more, and have a good day. See you the other time, next time, whatever. I'm tired, don't listen to me.